Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called Pixel. You guys can see right there. And pretty much what it is a professional microphone that you can use for your cameras and whatnot. But first thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what comes out the package first. So when you guys first open the package itself, you guys can see that it's actually nicely sealed inside. But let's take out the product first. So basically inside they provide you a nice little baggie to hold the microphone itself. They provide you a little wind muffler if you guys want to cover up any kind of wind when you're recording it. So that way when you're recording your audio, you don't hear too much wind. Mainly you hear more audio than wind. They provide you an aux extender cord, so if the cable that they provide you is not long enough, you guys can actually use this to extend the aux cord. They provide you a user manual instruction guide on how to set up the product and how to use it, and all the different functionalities that's on the microphone itself. And then last but not least is obviously the microphone itself. So when we look at this microphone, you guys can see that there are different functionalities that's on here. So there is the dB options on here if you guys want to control that. And then here is on and off switch, and there's low cut. And pretty much for the low cut, when you guys use the low cut option, basically what it does is help you guys reduce any kind of unwanted noise or reduce kind of background noise. If you guys turn on the regular one, then it won't really do much of the reducing noise and whatnot. So if you guys want to reduce the noise and whatnot, then definitely turn it on to the low cut option. If you guys look on the top side right here, there are two little indicator lights right here that will actually pop up to let you guys know when the product is on and when the product needs to be charged. And then for the microphone itself, it's actually made really nicely. If you guys can see, if you guys move it, the interior, this is what it looks like, if you guys can see. And if you guys look right here, there's the little logo right here and which one this microphone is, the MC650. And here's the little aux cord slot where you actually plug into your camera itself to use the product. And then if you guys look right here, there's a little slot where you can actually open up. And this way you actually put in the batteries. So this one actually requires you to use two AA batteries, and they don't provide you these two AA batteries. I actually have to provide it myself in order to use it. So make sure you guys have your own one before you purchasing this product if you guys don't have a battery already. And if you guys look at the bottom right here, they have little shock resistant right here, which is pretty cool. And obviously for this part, this is where you actually put it onto the hot shoe on your camera itself. So let me actually turn it on first to show you what it looks like with the light on. Alright, so you can see when you guys turn it on, green light pops up. No light on this side because of the fact that this is the indicator light for when you guys need to charge it and whatnot. So the only way to find out when it actually works and how well it works is to go test it out. So let's go test it out first and then come back and talk about the product. So I guess this don't work on your laptop because it's not recognizing the device or the microphone itself. So I'm going to use my camera here to show you guys the test of when it actually works and how well the audio sounds like. So what you're going to be seeing next is going to be just straight out from the camera itself right here. Alright guys, so basically this is what the audio sounds like with the microphone on. I'm pretty much talking from a little bit of a distance from the microphone, so you guys can kind of hear what it sounds like, but this is basically a little bit test to show you guys what the audio sounds like with the microphone itself. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys hear the test of the product, and it's here that actually does work and actually works quite well. So for this microphone that I didn't mention about earlier is the fact that basically the audio that's coming out from the front, so anywhere from this part right here, you guys can hear the audio coming from this area. But anything from the back side, so I'm talking from like back here, it won't record any audio unless you guys are speaking really really loud. I might have to do like an update video like outdoors, like fully testing out the audio to see how it sounds like with the wind and actually like testing out the little wind muffler. But as a first-hand perspective of actually kind of using it and listening to audio. So for me, honestly, I have to say that it is definitely pricey comparing to other microphones out in the market right now, but what you're paying for is definitely a quality product. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys need one or want one, but then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one, then don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's been just for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have...